Hello guys, and welcome to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. Now in the previous lecture we have seen how we can create different types of graphic designs using Adobe Spark, especially for social media and for ads and marketing campaigns. Now we are going to see exactly how we can create a type of graphic that we can use for classical marketing campaigns like prints, right? So what we are going to create in this lecture is a type of flyer. Obviously it's very similar with what you have seen in the previous lectures, but it has some specifics, and we are going to go through those specifics a little bit, and then we are going to move on to our next lectures. Now first things first, from the dashboard, as you have seen, we have selected the graphics section, and we are going to scroll down till we find the graphics templates for print, and we have posters, flyers, promo cards, business cards, and save the date. Now in this lecture we are going to create a flyer, and we are going to select this flyer, and we are waiting for the canvas to be loaded, and this is what we have at the moment. We are giving it a name, flyer test 1. So we have the name, and this is how the flyer looks like. First things first, as you can see, it's pretty similar to the other types of graphics that we have created before. The menu and the editing part, we can select any of the elements that we have here. Okay, it's very similar, but what we are going to see different are the designs, right? We're going to into the design section, and we will find different variations, right? We can select from different types of variations, and let's say that we want for this flyer this one, last days of summer, and this is how the flyer will look like. Okay, then we go to the layouts. The layouts are also something which we find to be different than the other graphics templates. We have simple, banner styles, grid styles, and so on, right? And in rest we have pretty much the same options, like adding text, photo, icons, colors. We can change the color schemes, as you can see. Okay, so it's pretty much very similar and pretty much the same. Okay, now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture, where we are going to discuss how we can create a video.